We're going to go with autonomous control in 3, 2, 1, go. Red moves and scores, blue moves and scores. Blue scores the second, red does not. Blue continues to run. Very exciting. All right, looks like that's going to be a blue win for autonomous, and now we're ready for driver control in 3, 2, 1, go! And it looks like the blue bot not moving, so it's 2-on-1, as it looks like the Madrid bot trying to load up. Hurricane Hackers also trying to load up. Now blue starts to move now. Hurricane Hackers has the one corner taken with 4 rings on it. Hurricane Hackers looks like they're trying to block and cover the other corner as well, as the Madrid struggle to try and get that red bomb into their position. Blue bot simply blocking there. And the Dreams continue to try and stack, but unable to do so. And now they've lost control of their mobile goal. Now they've got it back. Trying to get those on there. Now they've lined up better now on the other blue bot. So now it looks like the blue team has got both of those in there as time is running out. 15 seconds left. And it looks like that's going to be the end of things unless something changes. Blue looks like they've got the advantage.